Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to debug flow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, we need first to go to the flows in our Salesforce organization. And basically to do so, we need just simply to go to the setup menu, and from here we need just to go to setup. And now we need just to search for flows in the quick find uh, text box. And we need just to type flows, and we need just to access all the list of our flows in our Salesforce organization. And now simply we need just to go to any flow that we desire and just click on it, and then it will take us to the flow builder. And as you can see now, we can find all the elements of our uh, flow. And if you go to the toolbox, you can see all the resources that are used, etc. And basically, to debug this flow, you will simply need to click on the debug. By clicking on debug, it will take you to the debug flow page or the debug page, and from there, you can just click on run. So as you can see, your content was approved by and is ready to be published. So basically those are the debug details or the result of running this uh, flow. And there are some that might have problems or that might include some data or that will include some variables. And from there, you can start adding input variables so you can start testing with mini variation. And then you will need just to click on run. And as you can see, you can start having your flow that will be debugged. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.